How to turn off autoplay for trailers on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off autoplay for trailers and shows on Netflix, so make sure to watch this video till the end. The problem is the same both on mobile and your laptop. If you open up Netflix, these trailers are going to get automatically played by default. If you go to a certain show also, those trailers are going to get played by default without you actually just playing them. So how would you like to just go ahead and then turn off this autoplay? Well, it's very simple. Click your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to manage profiles option. And when you go to manage profiles, you'll be taken to the editing page of this profiles where you have to simply select a certain profile here. Once you select that, if you scroll down over here, you can see autoplay controls, right? Autoplay next episode in a series of all devices. I will leave that checked, but the second option you can see autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. You just want to uncheck that because that is just going to autoplay the trailer, and then now just click the save option. And as you've done that, you'll be able to turn off autoplay over here. Now if I just go ahead and select this specific profile over here, as you'd be able to find it, you can see this is not getting autoplayed by default in the background as it was earlier. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.